folks, I'm Bas Dijkstra and I'm an independent test automation consultant and trainer from the Netherlands. I am really looking forward to speaking at the 2024 TestMu Conference organized by Lambda Test on August 21 to 23. In my talk, you'll see how you too can get started with API security testing right now. And because seeing is believing, I'll perform a couple of live API security tests using Postman and a healthy dose of curiosity and creativity. You'll also learn more about the 2023 OWASP API Security Top 10 and other resources to get you started on your API security testing journey. I am looking forward to meeting you online at the TestMu Conference in August to network, to share ideas, and to learn more about the craft of software testing. See you there.